Welcome to Auto Tech Pulse today's quiz. Can you guess the name of these Porsche cars by their picture only in 5 seconds? We'll give you a hint, so let's know how many you get correctly in the comments section below. Let's get started. (911) GT2 RS. Taycan. Cayenne Coupe Turbo. Macung GTS. (718) Boxster. (911) Carrera Cabriolet. Panamera 4E Hybrid. (911) Turbo S. (718) Cayman GTS. Panamera. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful and fun, please like and subscribe.